Hi Year 8, Mrs V back in the lab with you, and today we're going to be looking at the reaction between magnesium and oxygen. So on our periodic table we have magnesium here over in the metals, and we have oxygen over here in the non-metals, and we're going to look at what happens when the two of them interact. Alright, so over to the lab. So this is a piece of magnesium. You can see it's shiny and grey, sort of bendy. Metal's generally malleable, that's what we call it when we can bend them without breaking them. And oxygen is a colourless, odourless gas, it's in the air all around you. So we're going to burn our piece of magnesium because the reaction needs to be sped up with a little bit of heat. Actually a lot, we're going to use a Bunsen burner. Okay, so let's strike our match and turn on our gas tap. And that's the worst flame I've ever seen. Alright, so let's open it and get ourselves a blue flame. Now, when you burn magnesium, you have to be very careful not to look directly at the flame for a long time because it's very bright and it could damage your eyes. Okay, so if you were here, you would be looking away, looking away. So I'm going to put the magnesium, the end of the magnesium, into the tip of the blue cone. That's the hottest part of the flame, and you should be able to see it ignite. You see all of that white smoke? Okay, I'm just going to turn the Bunsen burner off. Have a look at the product. The product is magnesium oxide. Can you see how it's sort of a white powder? If I put it down on the mat, you can see that it breaks really easily. It's definitely not malleable anymore. A bit of unburnt magnesium there. So, what indications did you see in that experiment that told you it was a chemical change? What things were you looking for? Okay, make sure that you record those on your sheet and write the equation for the reaction. Okay, I will see you back in the lab for another video soon.